This is my 2013 MacBook. The other day, I was trying to go onto my iPad to back it up, sort of, and I noticed that I couldn't find iTunes. It says if you're running OS Catalina, which I was showing over here, 10.15, they got rid of iTunes, and that makes sense because when I go onto the dock over here and look for the one that looks like iTunes, it's been replaced now by something called Music. This thing here. Okay, so that's great. So how about you tell me how I can back up my iPad over here? So once you plug it in, it doesn't really tell you anything what you need to do. I googled it, and so it said you need to just go into Finder. So they've integrated the whole backup restore thing. I'm not sure about the music, but so if I plug in this iPad, there you go. Unlocking it. It doesn't say anything. Usually iTunes would pop up, but I have this Finder window open already. And you can see over here on the left hand side is locations. There's an iPad. So I just click on that iPad and I can set it up like before. So you can see it's sort of like iTunes. And I can do check for updates, restore the iPad, and probably back it up. And so if you want to do any type of maintenance that you would usually do through iTunes, you'll have to just do it through your Finder window. And just look over here for locations on the left side and just look for your iPad or iPhone. So it's a little confusing to me. If you look it up, it's actually on Apple's website. They tell you that things have changed. But if you're running something older than 10.15, 10.14, you can still use iTunes, thankfully. So